This technology integration tip focuses on how you can embed a video from YouTube or Google Video or TeacherTube or SchoolTube into your blog. So for example, when you embed it into a post in your blog, you see that the video shows up right here and you could actually play it directly in your blog. So it's not a link going to YouTube, it's actually embedded playing within your blog. In order to do that, you first want to go to YouTube. When you go to YouTube, find the video that you're interested in. Now keep in mind that if it is a YouTube video, that students will only be able to see that video from home because of course YouTube is blocked in school. For that reason you might want to download the video itself and upload it, or if you want to put it, post from SchoolTube or TeacherTube, which are not blocked from students to be able to use at school. But on any one of these, you would click on the video that you're interested in, and then you're going to scroll underneath that video and you'll notice a share section. You click on share, and now you can either embed it or link to it or email it. Here we want to embed it. Alright, I always think that the old embed code works best, so I check use the old embed code, and if it's available in HD, I check that. I uncheck show suggested videos when the video finishes. So when the video ends, sometimes it brings up other videos that might not be so good, you might not be interested in. So I uncheck that so it doesn't do that. Alright, you can check the options of the size of the video that you might want. You definitely want to stay probably the 560 by 349 range to be able to fit nicely in your blog. Now you click on the code right here, hit Control-C to copy or right-click to copy, and then you want to return to your blog. So when we go to the blog, you of course would log in and you would go to the dashboard section, and I'm going to go to Posts and click on Add a New Post. Title the post here. And notice now the post itself, you have two tabs at the top. You might not notice that, but there's a visual tab, which is the normal one with the normal editing toolbars. And then you have the HTML one. You want to click on the HTML one whenever you're embedding code. Now I'm going to hit Control-V to paste the code, and or right click and hit V. Now I've noticed on my blog that the best height and width is different than what this is. So I changed the width to be 450 and the height to be 300. And notice you have to change it in two sections. Alright. Now that I have the code in there, I can go back to visual and see where the video would be. So I could enter text above the video or below the video. I can scroll down then and check the category I want it to be added to, and I could add the tags that I want it to be added to, and then I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to publish. When I do that, I will see that my blog now has the video that I've embedded, and that video now actually plays directly in the post itself. So it's a nice way to keep your videos together with your content, with your text. Again, you can use Google Video, SchoolTube, YouTube, TeacherTube, all video resources that you can pull in. And again, you want to try to size that video to be able to fit within the constraints of your post section. This technology integration tip is focusing on how to upload and embed, rather, a video in a post.